Hi, second grade. All right, we are going to do a lesson in math 8.3, and this is 363, the page. Okay. All right, so today's lesson is very simple. All you're going to do is look at this hundreds chart. Now, it looks a little different, okay, because the hundreds chart normally it starts at 1 and then it goes down to our 100 or 120. Today you'll see that it doesn't start at 100, but it starts at 600, 1, and then 2, and then 3 goes all the way to 610 on that first line. Okay, so this is a hundreds chart, obviously, with different numbers. Okay, so the question is, what patterns do you see in the shaded row? That's the row, and column right there. Use the patterns to complete the chart. Okay, so I'm going to put this over, and we are going to complete this chart together. So I see, so I'm going to go with the column first. So I see 602, 612, 622, 632. All of these are going up by tens, right? That's how we know hundreds charts work. They always go up by tens when you go down this way, okay? They all end in the same ones, right? Because you're just going up by tens. And the tens place just goes up by 1 each time. So 0, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And so on. This row here goes up by 1s each time. So just this 1's place is changing. So it's the 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that 0, of course, makes it a 10. But we change it there. Okay. So what are the missing values? Okay, so let's look at this one right here. This is blank. Let's look right before it. 627 blank 629. Okay, well, I'm going to look at this row right before it. 627. Look at that 8. It's also going to be an 8. 628. Right? All right, let's go to the next row where there is a blank. It says 639. You're like, 39, do I do 10? Well, what's the next 10 from 39? If I was counting 39, I would say 40, right? So 600, not 10, but 640 is the next tens. And I could even check it. 610, 20, 30, 40. Okay, let's look at this column. 640, what's the next 10? Because we know this is all tens. 640, what's the next 10 from 640? You know it's 600, because the whole thing is 600s. 40, what? 60. 50. Okay? All right, this one right here. 645 blank 647. 646. Okay. All right, let's look at this one. 652 blank 654. It's one more. 6, 5, 3. Okay. I'm going to stop right here, pause the video, and I want you to fill in the rest, and then come back and you can check your answers. Okay, here are our answers. So we have 653, so what we just finished with, then 663, then 667, 668, 669, then we have 673, 685, 688, 693, 694, and the last one was 700. Okay, all right, that is our lesson for today. Go ahead and do the practice for your homework.